In today's lesson, we're going to still continue with Microsoft Excel. There are a lot of things we're going to do in Microsoft Excel, so we are taking it bit by bit. Today is our third class or third lesson in Microsoft Excel. Today, we are going to learn how to subtract numbers and how to multiply numbers in Microsoft Excel. So let us open Excel. We click Excel to open it. We click practice since we are working on the file called practice, so we click on it. This is where we stopped last time. We are continuing from here. Let us learn how to subtract. Assuming we want to subtract G1 from F1, that is 98 minus 20. How do we do that? First, we take our cell pointer to the cell where we want the result to be, and we begin by entering our equal sign. I told you in our last class that the equal sign is a beginner of every formula in Microsoft Excel. So once you enter the equal sign, the Microsoft Excel already knows that you want to perform calculations. So let us start. I enter the equal sign because I want to subtract G1 from F1. I will open my bracket. When I open the brackets, I will say F1. It can be small letter or capital letter, it doesn't matter. It's not case sensitive. The formula is not case sensitive. So you can now say F1. You put the minus sign, G1. G1. You can see the moment you do that, the computer will color that environment where the values are. So I now close the bracket and hit enter key. That is the result of F1 minus G1. If you do the same thing we did when we are summing the numbers by using the fill handle, you will get the result of 98 minus 21, 78 minus 87, 78 minus 14, 95 minus just these two columns. We'll be working with it. So let us fill handle and see what will happen. You can see that is the result. You can enter the formula once and use your fill handle like I explained in the last class, and have Excel do the rest for you. Then how do we multiply numbers? For us to do that, you do the same thing by entering your equal sign, open a bracket. Maybe we want to use the same, but let us use this time A1 multiplied by B1. So I'll write A1. This time you use asterisk as the operator. So you use asterisk and then you write the next cell address, which is B1. As you can see, what we are doing now is 20 multiplied by 14. I close the bracket and I hit my enter key. So 20 multiplied by 14 will give us 280. If we use the fill handle as usual, we have Excel calculate A1 and B1, A2 and B2, and so on and so forth till A20 and B20. So that is the two cells we have multiplied to get the result we are having. So that is how to that is how to subtract, and that is how to multiply in Excel. So that is that. So there is something I'm supposed to teach you, another way of summation the last time, but I forgot. But we can still do it now. Assuming I want to sum this way, the column, the F column, what do? I'll keep my cell pointer here where I want the result to be. I'll go to sum or this icon and click on it and click sum. When I click sum, see what Excel have done. You already knows you want to sum the column, and that's why you see the blinking line going through it. So what do you do after this? You hit your enter key. So that is another way of summing. If you don't want to enter the cell address by yourself, you then click sum, and then you have Excel do it by writing the appropriate cell addresses or range of cells, and then the calculation will be done. That is it for today. Catch you next time. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Computer and Technology, for more videos. Thank you.